Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ratu Berryl Baressa NPM 234120042. And welcome back to this learning video. In this session we will focus on another crucial element of cost accounting, direct labor costs. Understanding this cost component helps businesses calculate the total production cost more accurately and make better budgeting and pricing decisions. Let's begin by defining what direct labor cost actually means. Direct labor costs refer to the wages or salaries paid to workers who are directly involved in the production process. These are the employees whose efforts can be directly traced to the creation of a specific product or service. For example, in a furniture manufacturing company, the carpenters who cut, assemble, and finish the wood are direct labor. In a bakery, the bakers who mix ingredients and bake bread are also considered direct labor. These costs typically include basic wages, overtime pay, bonuses related to production, and sometimes even payroll taxes or employee benefits, as long as they are directly tied to production work. The key point is that direct labor must be measurable per unit or per batch of production. If you can say this worker worked X hours to make Y product, then it's direct labor. To calculate total direct labor cost, we can use this simple formula. Direct labor cost equals to hours worked multiplied by hourly wage rate. Let me give you a simple example. Suppose a company produces custom t-shirts. One worker is paid $10 per hour and it takes them 2 hours to make one shirt. So the direct labor cost per shirt is 2 times 10, which equals $20. If the worker makes 50 shirts in a week, the total direct labor cost for that week is 50 times 20, which is $1,000. Tracking direct labor costs helps managers measure efficiency and productivity. For example, if it starts taking more hours to make the same product, it may indicate a problem in the production process or a need for better training. Direct labor costs also help in setting selling prices. If a product takes more time to make, it usually costs more and should be priced higher to maintain profit margins. Moreover, understanding direct labor cost is important for budgeting. If a business expects to increase production next month, it can estimate how many more labor hours will be needed and how much it will cost in advance. This helps prevent surprises and ensures enough funds are available for payroll. To summarize, direct labor costs are the wages paid to employees who are physically and directly involved in manufacturing a product. These costs are calculated using a simple formula based on hours worked and the wage rate. Keeping track of these costs helps a business manage its production process, control expenses, and set accurate prices. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you now have a clear understanding of what direct labor costs are and why they're so important in cost accounting. Stay tuned for more accounting topics in the next lessons.